Hey everyone, we got us a pack of 24-25 Panini Mosaic basketball. 6 cards in this pack. Let's rip into it and see what kind of superstars we can get. Semis are starting. Let's see if we can't pick a winner out of this pack. How about Jonathan Kaminga? Next we got Andrew Nimhard, a green in the back, already peeking. Hawks of, hey, Jalen Johnson. All right. Sitting at home right now, but that's okay. Hey, Dante DiVincenzo with the, huh. And the last, no, last card, Tracy McGrady with the retro NBA greats. And our green card now is a Laker of, oh my gosh, Luca with the green parallel. What a hit. Man. Well, thanks so much for checking this out. Come back next time and we'll rip another one.